What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, today's video is going to be what products I use to style my shortcut, teeny weeny afro, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I use that I really like and that I currently use, and I'm going to also show you some products that I use that I don't really like using. So let's jump right into it. To wash my hair, I use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco shampoo, and I also use the same conditioner. And so I've been using these two products since I first cut my hair, and I haven't tried any other shampoos or conditioners, but so far they do the job as far as just cleaning my hair. When my hair was longer, because this is my second big chop, I used a different shampoo. Can't think of it right off the top of my head, but so far these two products are doing the trick. So when I first cut my hair, I was originally using this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Twirling Custard Curl Styling Gel, and it did what it was supposed to do, I guess you can say, for the most part. And I also used to pair it with this pink Eco Styler Gel, because you know, like the pink one is supposed to be for curls, but it was making my hair too hard and I didn't like how it felt. I didn't like the dryness that it gave. Even when I didn't use the Eco Styler Gel, my hair was still dry and I didn't like that. So I stopped using these two products altogether, and since then I've always used castor oil to moisturize my hair with, and it's just regular castor oil, not Jamaican black castor oil or anything like that, but I'm quite sure it'll probably do the same trick or the same job. So I use the castor oil to moisturize my hair, and then one of my friends recommended this Lustre Silk Curl Max, and it's made by the same people that used to make, you know, the pink hair moisturizer that y'all used to put in our hair back in the day. If you didn't, I did, so you may or may not know what I'm talking about. But it's a curl activator moisturizer. Y'all, I love this product. Like, it makes my hair, and it's enriched with argan oil. It looks really shiny and it looks really glossy and moisturized when I put it in my hair. I love this product, and this big old bottle, which is 20 ounces, cost about, I want to say anywhere between $6 to $8. It wasn't expensive at all. It doesn't dry out my hair. It moisturizes it very well, and I swear by this. And her hair is longer than mine, so I'm quite sure even if your hair isn't cut short, it will definitely still define your curls really well. So after I put the castor oil and the Curl Max in my hair, I use this Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mix. Hopefully you can see that. I just spray this all over my head. I found this product because I seen another YouTuber whose hair is cut short like mine. She uses it, and I really like it. It's supposed to be anti-frizz, and so I do think that it does its job. However, it's not something that I have to put in my hair. As you can see, I lost the top for it, so anytime I go out of town, I don't use it. I just use the castor oil and the Curl Max, and my hair is still fine. But when I'm home, I do use this, and like I said, I do think it does its job as far as anti-frizz, so I still keep it around. If you guys have any questions about the products that I use, or my hair as it is right now, please leave those comments below and hopefully I can answer those to the best of my ability. Until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.